If you sell what you make, you have probably been meaning to write your shop policies for months. The Maker's Shop Policies and FAQ pack writes them for you in plain, friendly English. You get the policies, a buyer FAQ bank, about blurbs, and shop announcements, all ready to fill in and paste. Here's everything in the pack. 8 core shop policies, each written in a short version and a detailed version. A buyer FAQ bank with more than 50 questions. 3 about the shop blurbs, and 8 announcement templates. A start. Here Guide ties it all together, so you can set your shop up in about 10 minutes. Every policy comes 2 ways. A short version for tight spaces, like a listing FAQ or your announcement bar, and a detailed version for your full policies page. Each one tells you exactly where it goes on Etsy and Shopify, and every bracketed blank is simply a spot for your own detail. The FAQ bank answers the questions buyers ask before they order. There is a general set every shop needs, plus a section tuned to your craft, whether you make candles, soap, jewelry, ceramics, baked goods, leather, textiles, or digital products. Use the answers on your listings, as saved replies, or in your automatic reply. Your About page is where a browser becomes a buyer, so you get 3 of them in 3 voices. A warm one for when you are the brand, a polished one for design-led shops, and a playful one for shops with a sense of humor. Pick the voice that sounds like you, fill in the blanks, and your Meet the Maker page is done. The pack also gives you 8 announcement bar templates for that little banner at the top of your shop. A welcome, a sale, a holiday cutoff, a vacation note, a back in stock, and more. You can swap them in as your shop changes in just a few seconds. Nothing here leaves you guessing. Every piece points to the exact field it belongs in, on Etsy, Shopify, Squarespace, or your own website. And everything arrives in 3 formats: a print-ready PDF, an editable Word file, and copy-paste text that drops straight into a shop field with no formatting to fight. It is all written in plain English, not legal jargon, because clear terms win the sale, save you from typing the same message over and over, and head off disputes before they start. It is also honest about the boundary. This is a clear starting point you make your own, not legal advice, and the guide flags exactly where to check your local rules. Best of all, nothing is tied to a date, so the same pack works year after year. It is an instant download from Ardent Workshop. Set your shop pages up once, sound like yourself, and get back to the part you love, making your shop sorted.